Yay. Yay, 3:30. Yay.
Yay. No.
Ah.
Go ahead. No, where you going? Come back.
You are on the board. Just a little guy. You gonna get one?
I'm gonna try.
That one?
Come on, do it.
Do it, I'm here, kill me! Bullhead. Got a big bullhead. On hot dog.
Huh?
On hot dog.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm in the lead for 2 categories.
You are?
Yours?
I beat that guy that just measured. I beat him by 0.1. It was just 7.5 on 6. And then my bullhead was 11 on the top.
Maybe we'll win.
So yeah, that bluegill, I went and got both those fish measured, and that bluegill measured 7.6, and a guy literally got his measured 10 seconds before me, and his was 7.5. He was still standing there, so I beat him by 0.1. And then that bullhead went 11, so shit, maybe I'll win.
Maybe.
Can't tell if this one's bigger or not. I think he's going to be about the same. Oh, shit. Slightly bigger.
8.
Ooh.
Nice.
No, thanks.
And then, yeah, Drake, right?
Drake, yep. Eight-incher. Yep. Yeah, it went 8.
You went 8?
Yep.
Do it.
Nice one.
I got one.
I think you just won.
Yeah, beat you.
That's at least 8.5.
Well, yeah, let's go measure it.
More?
Yep.
Meet them.
Over there. Sit you over here. Ooh, that's a nice one.
She caught this
Nice,
one.
that's a nice looking
I think she
deal.
just beat me.
Yeah, no, that's a nice. 8 1/4.
8 1/4.
Nice.
Nice.
That you are in first. And what's your name?
Callie.
Callie. All right. All right.
Thank
Sweet.
you.
Thanks.
you.
Go.
Hey, guess what? Mike, guess what? He's ignoring me. Hey, guess what? I caught an 8 1/4.
She did.
I did.
No,
I'm in first place right now.
she's winning.
Take it over.
Yeah. We're not fucking you.
No, I'm serious.
We're dead serious.
During the daylight, it stays dark. Luckily, I stop behind where they're flat. I always stop. I was riding the over and no trees had come up the sweatshirt.
Thanks for waiting. Thanks for being patient. Thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Great weather, good ice. Bite was a little slow, but hey, we all have the same conditions, and I still had some good fish. So we'll start with the winners of big fish, and then we'll keep rolling right through, okay? All right, the big bluegill was Tommy, 8 1/2. And there was 2 8 1/2, but one was caught earlier, so that was that. Tommy, congratulations. We did keep a bullhead. We had somebody did a bullhead at 11 inches, Drake.